Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. Freeform is a digital canvas application developed by Apple, designed for brainstorming and organizing ideas visually. So how to use Freeform? First, ensure you have the latest version of iOS on your iPhone or iPad. Download the Freeform app from the App Store, but usually it's pre-installed. Second, launch the Freeform app from your home screen. Now tap the plus sign icon or create new board button to start a new canvas. You can choose a blank canvas or a template to get started, but for now, let's just create a blank canvas. Next, we can add a content. Use the toolbar at the bottom to select the type of content you want to add. Select the pen or pencil tool to draw or write on the board. Choose from different colors and stroke sizes to customize your drawings. Tap on the sticky notes tool below to add a new one. Add a shape content if you want. Add additional text that connects with your content. You can also insert from your files, links, scan a document, stickers, camera, or from your photos or video library. If you want to undo something on your canvas, tap the undo icon at the top left, move, resize, and rotate elements by tapping and dragging them. Use the alignment guides to help position items neatly. To share your board, tap the share icon and select invite people. You can invite others via email or message, allowing them to collaborate real time. If you want to save or share your board, tap the share icon again and choose to export it as an image or PDF. You can also send it via email or save it to your device. You can edit or delete board as needed. Tips for using Freeform: use templates for specific projects like mind mapping or brainstorming to save time. Organize different elements and layers for better management. Happy creating! Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.